Yes, Dynasty. This your greedy lifestyle no fit you at all. You get money, why you dey live like say you dey suffer bros? No kill yourself, cause this life no get part 2. Person wey work dey chop, body no be firewood. Smile amebo, wetin concern you with my life? Na so you go dey spend, dey talk say you dey enjoy life. As you see me so bro, I get big plan. I dey save money for account, I no wan touch am. They no dey predict life, my brother flex today, tomorrow na ghost. Brother, you fit no see am again. Imagine say as you dey save, you can't die throw away. Money wey you save, another person come dey use am play. Na person wey make blood money dey talk like that. They fit die anytime, I make them they spend anyhow. If I take small thing, my belly for I go dey rest. I no fit spend money where you dey call and say you dey flex.